Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. I hope that you are having a good day. If you are not, I hope that this video will be lighting up your day. Now if you're interested to know what we are doing today, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. Today I will be doing an oil mix, and I will only be using 2 oils. Those oils are really important, so keep watching to the end to find out what are those oils. My first oil will be castor oil. Let's note that there are no data or research showing that castor oil can help grow our hair or that is good for our hair, but castor oil contains fatty acid and antioxidant, which might make it a potential oil for healthy hair and hair growth. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Now let's continue with this video. Now after transfer half of this bottle into another bottle, because I'm trying to mix it with a different bottle, I'm going to grab my second oil, which is tea tree oil. As for tea tree oil, there was a study done for 4 weeks showing that tea tree oil can help reduce dandruff and itchiness. This leads us to healthy scalp. Healthy scalp means hair growth. And I will only add a little bit, not too much, because this oil is actually a little bit too strong, especially that it's pure tea tree oil. Now my oil mix is ready, and now you can use it any kind of way you want to. What I use it lately was to mix it with my deep conditioner, but if you want, you can apply it straight to your hair, but I think a little goes a long way. At least for me, I would not put too much in this, because first of all, castor oil I think that is too thick, and tea tree oil is a little bit strong, so a little goes a long way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.